I'm John Greaves III, founder of Garage Life Media. We believe there's no better place to pursue your fitness goals than in a home gym that's custom tailored to your needs. One of the ways we promote that on this channel is by showing you home gym tours so you can see how others are doing it around the world. Norwegian personal trainer Andre Raknes has built an incredible outdoor gym at his home. In fact, when I first saw pictures of it, I couldn't believe that it was a DIY home gym. Check it out.
Hi there, my name is Roger. I'm a 47-year-old personal trainer from Norway and located in Trondheim. I'm gonna show you my new outdoor home gym. Just finished it. It's all handmade out of woods, steel bars of course, and some stuff I just found around. So I'm going to give you a tour. Right now we got the ceiling on. I got roof, walls that I can take down because the weather here in Norway is not that good, especially this time of year. So let's go. Starting off here, it's my bench. When I do my bench press, it's very easy. On the top here I got my squats. I can put it right here and do squats. I made the bench adjustable, both sides, so I can do it flat, raised, or straight up for my shoulder press. Next up is my workout goodie for the abs, to do sit-up crunches. It's very easy. I can take it off, take it inside in my indoor gym. Works great. This little fella is the calf raise for your calves sitting. It's very easy, all made of wood and works great. I love this thing. It's good. And as you can see, I also use mini bands for extra support, so I don't have to use all those weights, though I have some of them. So that's the calf raise. And here's another cool thing. This is my leg extension. It's very simple. Put weight on, sit right here, and go. It works. And you can also do curls this way. So it's very handy. I got my dips bars for bodyweight workouts. I got my pull-ups right here. I have an extra setup for a bench right here. Right now it's the biceps curl laying here. That works good. More abs. Leg raises. So it works. This is actually adjustable, or I can just take it off. I use this one for pec decks or rear pecs. So I use power bands like this, or the other way around, like this. And I can take it off. Next up, and probably my favorite, this is the down pull. It works right here. It's not hooked up right now, but usually this one goes up. And I can also change it into a sitting row because I also have a connection right here. I just transform it like this, and I'm good to go. Yeah, that's my home gym. I don't think I forgot anything. And here comes my dog. Come on. Yep. Her name's Babe. So that's it. That's my outdoor home gym. See you later.
I hope this video inspired you to further customize your own home gym. Remember, you own the best gym in town. And if you want the shirt to prove it, just click the link right there to get it from our online store. Don't forget to help our channel grow by sharing it with your friends and subscribing yourself to see more content from us. See you next week with another home gym tour.